Hello guys. Yeah, and now make I say me some video be about how you can add folder into Visual Studio Code. So yes, so this is it. This is what we are going to discuss. And yes, so how to open a folder in what Visual Studio Code, because say as a website developer, every day we deal with all folders. So what I say. So maybe show the three method how bit me add the folder to Visual Studio Code. So the first one is what the drag and drop. And the first one is drag and drop, and then the second one is by what using what Visual Studio Code, and also the third one is what by using what the command prompt. Yes, so maybe show how which me I use what the add what folder to your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so to do that, first, and answer me can say which my is sometimes with the drag and drop, the first one. I'm talking about the first one. So that one is a drag and drop process. So with that one now person what you say we create folder. So I'm going to create a folder, new, and then I'll pick what folder. I right click on my mouse, and then you can see say me right click here and about what's new to create a folder. Oh yeah, so this is my folder. Maybe change it again. So me websites. Yes, me websites. This my first folder. After this, I can now open Visual Studio Code. So baby a Visual Studio Code one machine so need I said our screen is what who size a maybe then a screen. So yes, we shall media no has say and I will say at the same time no pen so bit my search it. Bit my search it. Visual Studio when so me yes me born no anaba no enter. It's baby a Visual Studio Code ewo machine so no na wa locate baby a one no why de no abo enter. So mpatcho smart say yes. Nti you say ubium first sometimes we now be so with the drag and drop method, the only thing that you need to do is to minimize this menu like this. To minimize now there what click on mouse the left side no click so in gemu no drag it o drag abi hu so nya shy so drag it to Visual Studio na be hu say Visual Studio no be ma some color be, meaning that you are copying that folder to Visual Studio Code. When you hu that color no gem and you drop it to be so drop it and Visual Studio Code ready and refresh it back not take it then not take it that folder now yeah to go folder now we say this part, yes, this part we say best actual then website. So this is the name of what of my website, the name of the name of what the folder, the name of the folder. This is it. We patch up small how is it. This is the first method. So this is drag and drop method. Me patch say so this is the drag and drop method. So let's look at how we are also going to add, let's say, using Visual Studio Code. So I'm closing it. So let me create another folder. I'm creating another folder. So this one I'm making it websites one. So this another folder. So right now that one, because we say we are doing it in what Visual Studio. using Visual Studio. So that one you need to launch what? Oh, sorry, you need to launch what? Visual Studio first. Oh, and so now you will launch Visual Studio. Oh, we'll launch it, Visual Studio. For the first time now, you will see say you are going to see this over here. Oh, okay. Visual Studio now updating. So when we say you will see say we have what these things over here, the start. You see say we have what file, new files, we have open file, we have open what folder, and away Chrome Git repository. We don't make us how to do it. So we are going to know how you can clone a project from what Git to this application, but not for this video. So with here you can say your what's new file. You can create a new file straight away from here. You can click so be create what's new file for you. So let me click on here. Oh, once I click so say I should what select a file type. So so that one can create a folder for you. At the same time, you can open the file straight away from here, or you can also open a folder. So in our case, we are open the folder, isn't it? So I can use this place, this interface, to open a folder. So right now, we're going to select open folder. So meba ha say no, this dialog box now sometimes I say a person navigate to yɛmfa and say what directories. And right now no, wohwɛ baby a wo file na baby a folder na wo pɛ we use no one. Now why then no one move it to. And baby say we have what this part no. Yes, and only will directories a bit man navigate to. So who see our desktop, your downloads, your documents, your pictures, your document folder and kasa. Need those kind of things meaning now. Into me median, I think say me creating what desktop and me default page IBA then desktop. Into me permit macros also selected desktop. So there is it. So you see said these are what the folders at my desktop. These are the folders yes over there. So right now the folder kula me person me dey me de ba Visual Studio no na me ya ne se me dey me right click me click so me ya click so pe no ma ba what select what folder straight away ebe dey ebe ba we are using what Visual Studio. So first you will create a folder at any directory be a can directory. That means say any folder be a person then we navigate and now say we do programs need to mono. It will navigate to that place. We navigate to that place we are no one select what the file the folder. We are not click one select folder. At the same time if means where you so Visual Studio at the top here I think say Momo Visual Studio no at the top here say we have file, we have edit and those kind of things. So we will just select what the file. So me no say me what that sign way as a menu so me click so when I me file me who folders near the because so what maximize me Visual Studio no and it's never me this kind of logo to meet my navigate straight away from here to my file. If I just see when you click on file now like this, you will see said first things nana ni who I say now which my create straight away which my create Visual Studio folders at the same time those things are here meboa. We have what new text file, new window. We also have what open file, open folder. Me patch someone will say those things now. So right now I want to open the folder. So you will just select what open folder. It's the same process as the first one, and then I can select. You can move to the folder that you need to or you want to bring to a Visual Studio Code. So you just select it like this, and after selecting it, I can now click on select what folder. You click on it, like this. So Visual Studio Code will try to what refresh back so that you can take what that folder. So you can see say this what this is the folder. So this is what the second method. So right now I've added what a folder using what Visual Studio Code. Yes. So the last method, some method na mon pen. But I think that method is super cool. Great. As a website developer, knowing how to use the terminal is fantastic. So I'm creating a new file. I'm creating a new file. So with this file, no, and also no website, website 2, like this. So right now I've created a new file. It's na say right now I'll open my terminal. So to open the terminal, I was saying say you can search it over here. How to open the terminal? Three type. Pacho hill. Say no bahasi or search you know bit type CMD. What type is CMD? Now we say your terminal over here. You can select it like this, and it's going to open for you. Yes. And the second one, how a bit open and say on your mouse no ube press on the Windows key. R like this. Ube say this kind of what men way beba. It's a buy and also about the same CMD ID. Asha has a CMD. We are not about enter. And also be then or terminal number. Me just one who win. And now say the easiest one I'll be to open terminal. And on who open now who open with that folder straight away. And see any of it now maybe chow. Most about no you open it straight away from the folder. And see it do see a navigate to those folders. But just so much and see we know within this folder I'll open it. Maybe mu say like folder na me person me dey me dey call Visual Studio Code. Ube who say and on your website too me boa. Yes, my beam like this. Me beam at the top here. This part type it CMD. So when you type CMD, this means that person here then will be command prompt no or this folder. And see when you type here no about enter. When you enter, people say a pick file name no as a website too. Meboa. Once the first one I'm a chairman, and no, this is navigate. I think you see change directory to desktop. Meboa. Nia Azania ya call your desktop and send it to my pick. But you're so much say. But right now I'm navigating straight away to the folder straight away. It's na meet my answer Uber type it. Code dots like this. Code type code new space now the period that was full stop then I can know about enter. Enter now going to right now a Visual Studio Code and a Visual Studio Code I pick it then website 2. Me patch I pick it then website 2. This the easiest method using what command prompt. This is the easiest one. Okay, how the last part on and on any easy no. Like hard kakra. And with that one I will search using what CD CMD. That's what command prompt. And then I'll open my command prompt. Like this. So you see, say right now I need to navigate to desktop before I can make all those things. So my minimizing my minimum font size on your case. So per se, I don't know. You just come at the top here, click on it, and then you will select your properties. So with the properties, once no I pick a font. It's I'm moving to 20, and I'm in 24. Yes, 24, and then. Okay. Yes, like this. So right now I need to navigate to my uh directory. So the first command I'm going to dir. So this one will open in every directory on what? On my machine. So you see, say these are what the folders on my machine. Eh? So right now, we say I have for desktop. This my desktop. Eh? So now me say I'll go back. Oh, So at this place now, now my navigate to desktop. So that one I will say CD. That's what change directory. I'm changing the directory to desktop. So desktop like this, and then I'll press what enter. So we say minyabo enter na we say na apeke okay. We na mama yi na ye bebre into no mama clear off. Nti so pe say o clear off or terminal na be type ya ye CLS. O type here that means you are clearing off. Na paper bibia CLS is what clear. O pe so clear desktop na utimi nya space here the net type. So when say me ball me ball CD desktop. That means I'm changing my directory to the desktop. So you will see say after the ID me desktop no etima be she be what code with what blackAI no one. After the year was slash and send what desktop number. So that means say I am in what my desktop. So with this place I will just type dir again to see the folders over there. Yes. So we say yes right now me wo miracle me wo index.html me wo miracle me wo new photos me wo website 1 website 2 me boa opa yenko mame minimize ne yenko desktop na hwade. This what's my index. We will see a miracle folder na yawo hon. We see what's new what photo those things ni nyina yede yawo ho me boa. So that means that right now that's the last process. So after that, I need to navigate to the folder na me ba be use. In Tiama as person me use websites. So I will say CD that's change directory to what to website to websites. Then enter. Boom say me and so me bo enter now. After the right now we have what desktop / what website. So this means I am in what my website was directory. I am in what my desktop what the website directory. So right now I'm navigating to the folder. The only thing that I need to do is what type what code space dots enter like this, and it's going to what open for me. Yes, and you will see it's going to select what the website folder at the top here where you are seeing that right now Visual Studio Code is using what the website what folder and also this is it. So you see it's very easy to use the terminal. So the terminal right now match two process. First one no the ube open folder open folder ni say open folder na at the top here no type cm. So this means you are open what this folder at what your terminal. And tell no donya be manual the code space dot and baby amount. And I say you follow what the long process and minus my heading much. So this video let me say thank you.